friends. I'm glad to see you on our YouTube channel, Liberland Railways Corporate YouTube channel. My name is denysyuzhakov, and I'm glad to introduce you with our new corporate corporate member of our corporate railway. This member is IKEA. Is famous network of DIY shops, DIY supermarkets, famous all around the world. And today we'd like to tell a couple of words about IKEA and about their report of 2023. And I think we will share it. We will split it in several issues in several videos in our YouTube channel. So let's see my screen. So guys. I will tell you, what IKEA is, but I'll tell you a couple of words about maybe. I know that IKEA is not presented in some countries. Maybe you don't know what is it, what company is it. A little bit about IKEA vision. About business idea. So IKEA is a Swedish company founded in 1943. Since then, IKEA team gone from being a tiny mail order company from this period, from tiny company, to becoming one of the most well-known home furniture brands in the world. So the vision of IKEA is to create better everyday life for the many people. The vision influences everything we do in our life. The products they develop, the ideas they share, the materials they use. Yes, every little thing. That's why vision of IKEA is so powerful and so delicate at the same time. It's about the vision. If you speak about business idea, to offer a wide range of well-designed functional home furnishing products at prices so low that as many people as possible will be able to afford them. IKEA's business idea captures the essence of IKEA. It also captures their never-ending desire to improve all aspects of their product, and still being able to keep on lowering their prices. In today's world, where more and more people live in small spaces in big cities, the business idea of IKEA is more valid than ever. So that is really a real business idea. And of course, I shouldn't forget 8 IKEA key values. So they are togetherness, caring for people and planet, cost consciousness, simplicity, renew and improve, different with meaning, give and take responsibility, and lead by example. So this is IKEA 8 IKEA values. in general. So, except IKEA, especially if you live in countries where IKEA is presented, there will be there is one of brands is INGKA. So you can imagine one brand and many companies. So today IKEA is a franchise business with many companies operating under one IKEA brand. IKEA Systems BV is the franchisor responsible for continuously developing the IKEA concept and ensuring its implementation in new and existing markets. INGKA Group, of which IKEA is a part of, is the largest IKEA franchisee and represents about 90% of IKEA retail sales. INGKA Group operates 537 IKEA stores and over other store formats in 31 countries, as well as IKEA e-commerce and digital solutions. That's all. I think it's enough to know what is INGKA Group. Of course, there is IKEA Foundation, different three businesses such as IKEA Centers, IKEA Retail, so on and so forth. But I think we will not speak about these points today. And I think it's time to consider main directions, main annual summary of 2023. So I will explain you about the summary in our next part. Speaking about annual summary, we've taken the example of UK department in the UK to provide you the example of annual summary in the UK in some precise country. So let's take a look at my screen. So today I decided to split some information into 4 units. First one is Better Homes, the second is Better Lives, the third Better Planet, and the fourth Better Business. Today we will study the first unit called Better Homes. Let's fast information, fast numbers. So about Better Homes. 3 new and plan and order points opened in northwest of England. We will speak in details today about it. In total sales represented by people and planet positive products is near to 32%. A new collection launched to celebrate 80 years of IKEA, and national rollout of click and collect points in partnership with Tesco. It's supermarket chain in the UK. As for Better Lives, it's 12 million invested in co-worker salary increases. 89% of the UK co-workers believe in IKEA commitment to driving a culture of diversity and inclusion. A long-term charity partnership with Shelter launched. 2023 living wage foundation rates met. What about better plans? All these facts we will study when we will study in details all the units, but it's just a quick information. Near 52,000 furniture pieces brought back throughout the buyback and resell scheme, an increase of 187% from 2022. 4.5 million pounds investment in nationwide electrical charging infrastructure. Food waste reduced 50% compared to 2017, and 500,000 spare parts given out. What about better business? You can see 2.46 billion annual turnover, about 12% growth in sales, 4.5% operating profit, and 1 million new visits to the stores in the UK. Here you can see just check UK presence of IKEA. So 20 IKEA stores, one city store in Hammersmith, 3 distribution centers of IKEA, one remote customer meeting point with hubs in Peterborough, Sheffield and Essex, one order and collection point in Aberdeen, 3 plan and order points in Entry, Preston and Stockport, 1 UK and Ireland service office, and one wind farm. Very interesting, actually, that IKEA manages wind farm. And let's check information about better homes. One of commercial managers, I quote the press of one of commercial managers of IKEA, Michaela Whelan. At IKEA, we believe we are well placed to offer solutions that can help our customers save people money. Baked into our DNA is the art of sustainability and affordability. This year, we have focused on different ways that we can support people to embrace thriftiness and help them live richer lives by making help them live richer lives by making smart choices, not just through our range of products, but also through our solutions, home furnishing, expertise, and services. So they're proud of a new collection launched to celebrate 80 years of IKEA. 10 years of the Life at Home report celebrated. 3 new plan and order points open dedicated to kitchen, bedroom, and living room planning, helping customers design their ideal space, and new plan dog released. What's plan dog? I will explain you a little bit later. So about products, enhancing home life and cost savings with innovative products. They are highlighting their products' safety. The safety of customers is always a top priority of IKEA. This year, they announced their first patent pledge, enabling other furniture manufacturers to implement Enter and Unlock, a new anti-tip-hour innovation designed to enhance the safety of customers' homes. Launched across their warehouse chest of drawers range, this feature enhances stability before the furniture is secured to a wall. Only a limited number of drawers can open at a time. Once secured, the unlock mechanism is enabled and multiple drawers can be opened simultaneously. So it's the innovation for the security of opening the drawers. And what about celebrating of 80 years of style? To celebrate 80 years of design, the IKEA design team returned to the archives to rediscover customers' favorite designs. These iconic products were reimaginated in fresh colors and new materials in collection called in Finnish word multilingual. Each of products boasts of IKEA a unique narrative, like the Lovett side table, which made its debut in 1956. The Nittilerkats version is named Love Bucket. Sorry, it's Finnish words, sorry for my Finnish. Available in vibrant shades of orange, blue, and light green, it features an ash veneer top, introducing a striking burst of color to elevate any living space. So it's just about 80 years of style of this celebration of this style. So let's speak about accessibility. So as I told you earlier, they opened 3 new Plan and Order points across the UK. After a successful pilot in 2022 throughout 2023, they expanded the Click and Collect service in partnership with Tesco supermarket chain, allowing customers to conveniently receive their IKEA purchases from their local Tesco stores. This partnership exemplifies IKEA's commitment to providing seamless and accessible solutions for their customers. And the third one is they invested in a new customer distribution center. Their facility enables faster, more sustainable home deliveries to IKEA customers in London and southeast of England. Actually, speaking about this geography, it is not covered. Let's check. It is not covered by IKEA shops. Let's check southeast of England. Just a second. It's not so many stores in this region. So that is why they invested in this distribution center. And let's speak about affordability. In 2023, IKEA launched their survey campaign aimed at helping people live more affordably. Deeply rooted in their vision to create a better everyday life for the many people, this campaign focused on offering solutions that can help to save people money. Also, they launched their service day out designed to help families keep children entertained during the school holidays. Next point is sustainability. Lego. Lego means just enough in Swedish. This is our IKEA's digital and in-store behavior change program that encourages customers to enjoy this Swedish approach to life and supports the concept that living sustainably is easy, affordable, and desirable. And about healthy and sustainable food options. They are committed to improving the availability of plant-based options in their restaurants. By 2025, 50% of the meals in their restaurants will be plant-based. It's one of the world's largest food providers. IKEA is taking the next step towards making healthy and sustainable food. And we are approaching to plant dog from this point of their food options. What is plant dog? As the step of customer experience at IKEA is the food. The well-deserved hot dog, after increasing your step count around the store, has been revolutionized. In 2023, they launched a new plant-based version of the iconic hot dog called the Plant Dog. The new plant-based alternative contains rice protein, onion, apple, salt, pepper, and smokiness to give the characteristic sausage flavor. I think in this point of view, they are trying to compete with so-called Big Mac of McDonald's, maybe. And such highlights as celebrating 10 years of life at home research. So every year IKEA conducts research into people's lives at home. So we can see the results of such research. According to reports, 45% of people in the UK say that home is their favorite place in the world. 45% of the population said household finances and disposable income remain their biggest concern. 31% of the population named their mental health as a main concern around their life at home, and 1 in 3 of people noted that they sometimes work from home. So this is this information about better homes. Next time we will speak about better lives, better planet, and better business. So I'm glad and proud that IKEA is one of members of our Liberland Railways corporate model corporate railway. Not to miss the next issues, please subscribe to our channel and tick to the bell not to miss new issues. And you're welcome to write any comments about our work, about our railway, and about IKEA. And I will be happy to see you among our watchers in our future issues and new series of our YouTube channel. So thank you for the watching, and see you next time. Bye.